We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive look at the Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet 2-pack, a multifunctional survival accessory designed for hiking, camping, fishing, and hunting. This product combines 4 essential survival tools in one wearable bracelet: a fire starter with striker and ferro rod, a compass, a loud emergency whistle, and 12 feet of military-grade paracord. The bracelets come in black and black with orange accents and are adjustable to fit wrists from 8 to 10.5 inches, making them suitable for men, women, and even kids. Users appreciate the concept of having multiple survival tools consolidated into a single, easy-to-carry item. The paracord itself is strong and versatile, useful for making traps, shelters, fishing lines, or even emergency stretchers. Many reviewers highlight the utility of the paracord in real emergency situations, such as stabilizing an injured person's ankle by fashioning a splint with the cord and nearby materials. The included whistle is noted for its loudness, which is a critical feature in emergencies when signaling for help. It is small but effective, and users found it easy to locate on the bracelet once aware of its presence. The compass embedded in the bracelet receives mixed reviews. While some users found it accurate enough for basic navigation, others experienced issues with compass reliability and noted that the fire starter's iron content can interfere with the compass needle. It is recommended to unclip the bracelet ends to use the compass properly, as wearing it fastened can cause magnetic interference. Some buyers have reported defective compasses straight out of the box, with needles stuck or inaccurate, so it is advisable not to rely solely on the compass for critical navigation. The fire starter is a key feature, but also a source of some frustration. It comes coated with black paint that must be scraped off before it can produce sparks. This detail is not immediately obvious and requires some learning, as demonstrated by users who watched instructional videos to understand the process. Once the coating is removed, the fire starter works well, producing sparks reliably. However, some users struggled initially to create sparks and found the learning curve steep. The fire starter is integrated into the bracelet's clasp alongside a small emergency knife, both of which are compact but functional. One important consideration is that the bracelet is made entirely of paracord, and once unraveled, it cannot be easily reassembled without expert knot tying skills. This means that using the cord for emergency purposes sacrifices the bracelet form permanently. This trade-off is common in paracord bracelets, but worth noting for potential buyers. Build quality is generally praised, with many users describing the bracelet as well-made and sturdy. The design is practical and thoughtfully executed, with all tools readily accessible on the wrist. The bracelets are lightweight and comfortable to wear, making them suitable for everyday carry or as part of a bug-out bag. Overall, the Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet 2-pack is viewed as a valuable addition to survival gear. While it is not without flaw, particularly the compass reliability and the initial difficulty with the fire starter, the convenience of having multiple survival tools combined in a wearable form is highly appreciated. The price point is reasonable for what is offered, and many users express satisfaction with their purchase, hoping they never have to use the emergency features but feeling reassured that they are prepared. If you own this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in adding this versatile survival bracelet to their outdoor gear. In conclusion, the Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet is an excellent survival tool for hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want a compact, multifunctional accessory. It combines essential emergency gear into a durable, wearable package that can make a real difference in wilderness situations. Despite minor drawbacks, it stands out as a smart, practical choice for anyone serious about preparedness and outdoor safety.